Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can join Roblox links from Discord on your mobile. So if we just head over to the Discord application, you can see down here, I have this Roblox private server link. So if I just go ahead and open that up, you can see what's going to happen is you're going to get this error message saying you don't have permission to join this experience. So in order to fix that, we can just close out of the Roblox application. And we're going to head back over to Discord now. From here, what you need to do is you just need to select the link by holding down your finger, then come all the way down. To copy message link and select this, come back out from the Discord application and head over to the Notes application on your iPhone. Go ahead and create a new note, and then what you need to do is paste that link that we just copied and then press Done. And now if I try joining the Roblox server directly from this link on my notes, you can see we're able to join without any problems or without any error messages. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you join Roblox servers on Discord. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.